Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am brand new on YouTube. This is my first video. Today I am creating a Bluey Chip Bag design. Right now I'm going on Google looking for a background for Bluey. As you can see, I'm looking for one with high resolution. When you click the picture, you'll see when you hover over the picture the size of the revolution and everything. So the higher the number, the clearer the picture is when you upload it to Canva. So now I'm back on Canva. I'm looking for like a nice shade blue to match the background of that picture that I just downloaded. So now I'm uploading it to Canva. So I want the picture to be in the center of the bag. So when you see the chip bag, it's like visible to the front, in the front only. And when I don't know if you're watching this, most likely you're doing party favors. So the two blue areas will be for the back. So now I'm just trying to size it or move center that house. So I'm not getting anything else in that picture. Guys, I am so picky with this picture. Please bear with me. But now I'm kind of sizing it. I want to keep this in real time so you guys can see how it is, how you do it. So I just double clicked it and move it to the center. Now I found like a better blue. I used the blue from the sky to match the background. Now I'm going to add a square element, resize it for the bottom so it can match the grass in the front. I didn't like how that looked across, and I thought that would look better in the center. So now I'm resizing it. I'm deleting all the elements that's on the picture, add a glue, add whatever picture that came with the template that I got. So now I'm looking for a Bluey picture, the best one. I wanted to do a family one. Now I have mom, dad, Bingo, and Bluey. I'm resizing the picture to look like they're on the sidewalk and not in the grass. Now I'm adding the happy birthday Leilani. So prior to doing this video, I had Bluey font downloaded to my computer already. I believe I got it from fontbolt.com. They have a whole bunch of theme, like the movies, whatever, video games, I think different TV shows, the theme fonts on that website. Some of these fonts does not come in like the numbers, so I had to delete third. So it just say happy birthday Leilani. Now I'm changing, I believe, the font. Yes, I'm changing. No. Well, I'm trying to see if it's a font that looks good with it, that I could add like happy third birthday, but I end up changing it back to the Bluey font that I found online. Yeah, I was just saying, like, forget that. Forget the third. We're going to just keep it like this. So now I have an outline on my design. Well, not on the design, but on the font where it says happy birthday. I added an outline. I want to make it a little bit thicker so it can look clean and visible, and kind of, instead of blending in with the background, you can see it better. So right now I am trying to find a color to go with the design. It's a girl, so sometimes you want to just add that pink or a touch of purple. to go with the design, but right here I added the color orange to match bingo. I didn't like that color either. So I just moved on to the nutrition facts for the birthday girl. I was first thinking about changing it, but I ended up uploading another one that I had saved on my computer for a birthday girl. Now I found that nutrition fact that I wanted. I uploaded it to the computer. Now I'm resizing it. I'm trying to fit it in that little space. Make sure it is centered in that little space. Now I think I'm trying to, I don't know why, but I don't think I like that one. What did I do? So now I'm trying to find another one, birthday girl. And I believe I downloaded it. Yeah, I like that one better. So I downloaded that image. As you guys can see, I changed my mind a lot. I changed my mind a lot. I just like certain things. So I had to basically upload it. Hit download it now. I'm resizing it, fitting it in the center of that area, in that little box. For those that don't know about, okay, now I'm trying to get Bluey like a little logo, but for those that need help with like the sizing and everything, I will be adding the template link in my in the description below. So if you want to purchase it, I think I'm just going to sell it for $2 or $1. I'm going to decide later, but I will add it to the description box so you guys can make that purchase. Right now I'm adding the barcode to the design. Like a chip bag, you have your nutrition facts. I add Bluey's logo, and then I add the barcode. Now I'm back to the name, trying to see the best color that I want to use. I went back to blue, of course, because it matches everything. Now I'm trying to see the best way I should put it so it don't look too plain. So now I'm deleting that back left design, or I probably might be editing it to put thank you for coming. But let's see. I wanted to see what font I use so I can use the same font. I put thank you for coming. So I put thank you, then I put thank you thank you so much for coming to my party. And then I was supposed to put love and kisses. However, the and sign for this font was not coming up at all. So that's why you guys see me deleting and trying to type it in. But I don't like the word and, so I highlight it, I delete it out so I can do like another box for that. I created another text box. I'm resizing the thank you so it can look nice and neat. I'm going to move it up, of course. The white look better. So now I'm putting that thank you again. And of course, you guys know I'm picky, so I'm just trying to see what exactly how I want to put the font or the color. I'm doing all that right now. I just want you guys to see, like, it looks nice and easy when somebody, complete this work, but it's not that easy. So if you're having, like, to go back and you want to choose a certain way how you want to do it, or you want to try different things, that's okay, because that's how they get their designs too. So don't think they just boom, bang, and, all of us just do that and we just get it done. No, I know I try different things, and I know others that try different things before completing their task or their job or their design. So that's why I'm just posting this whole video so you guys can see like what exactly it took for me to complete it. And it's more than one try to get it done. And that's fine. Don't ever feel like you're taking too long. If you got to leave and come back, do that. But I think this took me at least like 20 minutes to complete this. There's some parts that I did cut down because, it was nothing major. But the editing part alone, I did show you guys everything. So now I'm just looking for a Bluey picture to add. I clicked it twice by accident, of course. And here's the whole thing. Now I'm just moving everything up so it's, it look better after you print it. Yeah, now I'm deleting the sides. I went back and did the grass all around because to me it looked better that way. And I always add like a little bit more to my bag design at the bottom. That's just me. Some people do it, so you don't have to really do it, but I just like it when I actually print it. It has like that green, on this one it will be green. It'll have that crimp look. To me, it look way better that way. Some people, you really don't have to do it, but that's just how I like mine. So I changed the top back to blue for the sky. And this is my design, you guys. Now, if you have a question after this about a design, or if you have a request for me to do a certain design, certain character, please let me know down below. Please subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a lot of Canva designs on here. Thank you.